This one we put mainly in the guard station or the guard room. This is the unboxing of the master station. This is how it comes when you open it. It's like this. This is the master station. Yeah, so it looks like. This is behind. You have all the USB ports, you have the HDMI ports, you have the Ethernet ports. This is how it looks. Looks like secure, smart, simple. And then this is the bracket, the base for putting it on the table. That's how it goes on the table. Yes, and then this is a gooseneck mic if you need this. You don't want to use this. So this is our speaker. We have our PoE switch, which we are going to use to connect everything. Also Hikvision PoE switch here. Activating the master station. That is the master station. You can see. Let me put in the password. We activate it. You don't need to wait for a laptop, computer. Check your password. Activated. Let me put in the IP address. This is our master station. Edit it 168.1.100. Default gateway 68.1. Okay. Next, and then community one registration password. Let me also put same password that I'm using. And then